Welcome. Let's make your Yahoo account in minutes. Start by going to the Yahoo sign-up page. Fill in your personal details. Enter your name, email, and a secure password. Next, choose your mobile number. This step is crucial for account recovery. You'll receive a verification code. Check your phone and enter it in the provided field. Don't forget to select your recovery options. This will help keep your account safe. Congratulations! Your Yahoo account is ready for use. Explore features like mail and news. Now that you're signed up, personalize your profile to make it yours. Stay organized by utilizing the calendar feature to track important dates. Connect with friends through Yahoo Messenger for instant communication. Regularly check your inbox for the latest updates and offers. Utilize Yahoo's news feature to stay informed about the world around you. Enjoy exploring your new Yahoo account. Happy emailing!